चलिए अब हम करेंगे एडिशनल एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. गिवन इज एन ऑयल ड्रॉप ऑफ द 12 एक्सेस इलेक्ट्रॉन इज हेल्ड स्टेशनरी अंडर द कांस्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ऑफ 2.55 into 10⁴ Newton per coulomb. The density of the oil is given to us is 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. Estimate the radius of the drop. We need and it is given that we have to take the value of G as 9.81 meter per second square and value of E is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. Fine. Now what is actually given to us? Let us visualize this. Suppose this is an oil drop of small mass m, radius is r. So due to the weight, find the weight mg must be in the downward direction, and you know that this will held stationary. It is held stationary if and only if the weight must balance by the force which is due to an electric field. Then only this will held stationary. Fine. So this weight, we say that the weight and the force due to an electric field get balanced with each other. Then only this will remain stationary. Fine. Now what is given to us? See, E is given to us, that is 2.55 into 10⁴ Newton per coulomb. Fine. And Q you can find out by the quantization equation, and N is already given to us. See, that is a 12 excess electrons, so N is given to us as 12. E value we know it is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. We need to find out this in coulomb first. Fine. Or otherwise we can do this way also. QE is equal to mg. Q is equal to Ne. Here we can write E is equal to, now mass can be converted into this way also. You know, mass is equal to density into volume. Fine. You know that density is mass upon volume, therefore mass is equal to density into volume. And what is the volume of the sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. Fine. So mass can also be replaced in this form, rho 4/3 pi r cube into g. We need to find out what is the radius of this oil drop. Therefore make r as a subject to the formula. So we get 3 Ne upon rho 4 pi g must be equal to r cube. So if I want to find out r, I must take the cube root of this. So when I take the cube root, we must do this way. Fine. Rho 4 pi g raised to 1/3. Fine. Now see, all data is with us. N is given to us as 12. E value is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. E value is 2.55 into 10⁴. Fine. Pi value we know it is 3.14. G value is also given to us 9.81. Rho is the density of the oil drop which has been given to us. Fine. This is given to us 1.26 gram per centimeter cube. We need to convert it into MKS unit, which is 1.26 into 10⁵ kg per meter cube. Fine. So just substitute the value. See, we have already done here. See, the charge of a drop is Q is equal to Ne. N is 12 given to us. E is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. So if we find out directly, so Q value you get it this much coulomb, or you can write directly Q as Ne over here. Fine. So you know that the drop is stationary if and only if these forces get balanced with each other. Which force? That is the weight mg in the downward direction, and the force due to an electric field, that is in upward direction. So we have equated this equation. QE is equal to mg. Mass is replaced as volume into density. So we have all the values with us. Find r cube as a subject to the formula. To get the square cube root, we get the value of r. Now see, 3 is given to us. We know that N is 12. Fine. E is 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19. Capital E, that is electric field, is 2.55 into 10⁴. 4 is there. Pi value 3.14. Rho, that is 1.26 into 10⁵. This is converted into MKS unit. Fine. And G value is 9.81. Fine. So this is R value, that is 0.94 into 10⁻⁻18, and you have to find out its cube root. Fine. So this value comes out to be 9.81 into 10⁻⁻7.